Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating, and often overlooked aspects of buffalo ecology. Buffaloes, also known as bison in some parts of the world, are majestic creatures that play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Let's explore some lesser-known facts about these impressive animals. Buffaloes are often associated with the vast plains of North America, but their range extends far beyond that. There are two primary species of buffalo: the African buffalo, or Cape buffalo, found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, and the water buffalo, native to South Asia, but also found in parts of Europe, Australia, and South America. Diet and feeding habits: buffaloes are primarily grazers, feeding on grasses, herbs, and aquatic plants. Their diet can vary significantly depending on the species and habitat. For example, the water buffalo thrives in marshes and swamps, feeding on aquatic vegetation, while the African buffalo grazes on a variety of grasses, and can even browse on shrubs and trees during the dry season when grass is scarce. One lesser-known fact about buffaloes is their impact on the landscape. As they graze, they help maintain the grassland ecosystems by preventing the overgrowth of vegetation, which can otherwise lead to wildfires. Their feeding habits promote plant diversity, and create habitats for other species. Social structure and behavior: buffaloes are highly social animals, living in large herds, that can range from a few dozen to several thousand individuals. The social structure of a buffalo herd is complex and hierarchical. Female buffaloes and their offspring form the core of the herd, while males often form bachelor groups or live solitarily, joining the herd during the breeding season. Communication within a buffalo herd is sophisticated. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and even chemical signals to convey information. For instance, a dominant female may lead the herd to a new grazing area by starting to move, and others will follow her lead. One intriguing behavior observed in African buffalo herds is the voting system. Before moving to a new grazing area, members of the herd will stand up, look in different directions, and eventually, they will all follow the direction that the majority is facing. This democratic decision-making process ensures that the herd makes collective, informed choices about their movements. Reproduction and lifespan: buffaloes have a relatively slow reproductive rate. Females give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 9 to 11 months. Calves are usually born during the rainy season when food is abundant, increasing their chances of survival. A fascinating aspect of buffalo reproduction is the protective behavior exhibited by the herd. When a calf is born, the entire herd will encircle the mother and her newborn to shield them from predators. The lifespan of a buffalo varies between species. African buffaloes can live up to 20 years in the wild, while water buffaloes can live even longer, sometimes reaching 25 years or more. However, their lifespan can be significantly shorter in the wild, due to predation, diseases, and human activities. Predators and defense mechanisms: buffaloes have several natural predators, including lions, crocodiles, and hyenas. Their primary defense mechanism is their sheer size and strength. An adult buffalo can weigh between 1,500 to 2,600 pounds, making them formidable opponents. They are also known for their strong herd instincts. When threatened, a herd will form a protective circle around the vulnerable members, such as calves, with the adults facing outward, ready to charge at any predator that dares to come close. Another interesting aspect of buffalo defense is their symbiotic relationship with certain bird species, like the oxpecker. These birds feed on ticks and other parasites found on the buffalo's skin, providing a cleaning service. In return, the birds act as an early warning system, alerting the buffalo to the presence of predators by their alarm calls. Ecological impact: buffaloes play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By grazing on grasses and other vegetation, they help maintain the balance of plant communities. This, in turn, supports a wide variety of other wildlife species. Their wallowing behavior, where they roll in mud or water, creates water holes that benefit other animals, particularly during the dry season. In areas where buffalo populations have declined, there has been a noticeable impact on the ecosystem. For example, the absence of buffalo grazing can lead to an overgrowth of vegetation, which can reduce biodiversity and increase the risk of wildfires. Therefore, conservation efforts to protect buffalo Populations are not only about preserving the species, but also about maintaining the health of entire ecosystems. Conservation challenges: despite their ecological importance, buffaloes face numerous threats. Habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, poaching, and diseases such as bovine tuberculosis and foot-and-mouth disease, pose significant challenges to their survival. Conservation programs are in place to protect buffalo populations, including habitat restoration, anti-poaching efforts, and disease management. In conclusion, buffaloes are more than just large, grazing animals. They are vital components of their ecosystems, with complex social structures, intriguing behaviors, and significant ecological impacts. Understanding and protecting these magnificent creatures is essential for the health and diversity of the environments they inhabit. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. If you have any other animals you'd like me to explain or any other requests, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, see you!